Hey fellow artists. All right, so Meeden generously sent me this easel to try out. It's a plein-air watercolor easel, meaning it can go flat or at an angle, so whichever way you want to paint. And oh my gosh, it's so light. It's made of the aluminum or whatever it is. Aluminum alloy tripod. It's not heavy at all. It's great for travel. I tested it out in my front yard painting my chicken coop and loved it. If you're thinking of getting one, hopefully this video will help you. Happy painting! Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. The Meeden watercolor field easel. And I gotta tell you, even in the box, it is so light. I mean, it's so light. I'm so excited to try this out because I definitely am going to be doing lots of plein air painting this summer. So here we go. Okay, cool. And then also in the box is this. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. This has got to be the legs. So this is the legs. Nice little carrying case. Pretty color. I actually really like this color. Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. Aluminum alloy tripod, drawing board, painting palette, portable bag. All right, let's set it up. All right, fellow artists, here is my review of my Meeden watercolor easel. I have to say, I'm really loving it. Here is my setup. I've got my go bag right here. I've got just a lawn chair. Actually, that's a gardening chair. And it came with a table that I use for my brushes. Then the Meeden easel, you can adjust it to sit or stand. I have it sitting for now. You can see there's all these adjustments here. It's really, really light, which I love. Then this little twisty doohickey thing here, all you do is turn that and it loosens up the easel. So you can have it totally flat if you want, or you can have 45 or like 90, you know, however you want. I usually like it about right there. Kind of depends on my water bead, right? Then let's go and sit down here. This is my tray that I love. Okay, this comes with the easel and it's really light. It's plastic, but it's sturdy. And it comes with a little hole for your water cup. Water cup not included, but it's a standard hole. Totally easy. Then the tray, you can see there's no attachments. It just hooks right up to all the legs, right? You kind of see. So really easy setup, I have to say. And I can't stress this enough that how light it is. It's so light for carrying around. I just put it right on top of my bag here and it rests right there and I just roll away with it. That wraps it for my review. Thank you so much, Meeden, for sending me this easel. I love it. I've been using it about 2-3 times a week. It's just awesome. If you're looking for a watercolor easel for outdoors, plein air, this is it. Really, it's so light, easy to use. You're gonna love it and look no further. I wouldn't give such a good review if I honestly didn't love it. So thank you, Meeden. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me make more videos for you. Thank you.